Woman fan to a team. A pine be anywhere. Obe to me a cretin, Yuma. Amagana Funyana. Anya Jumaye. A buying any employment agency. On my way we are seeing now. Every country that you go, Juma oho. Se wo Ghana na se mo ya mekan. Se wo se engineer. Frewunya awa bruche na bisa se na Juma oye. Na Juma wura ene hwan na on kan kire. In every country, almost see a Juma oho piano. Sa country no moko mo a Juma wura for no mo ye Ghana for omo ye omanma for omo nya aban. Omo ye individuals a omo ankasa omo di omo nyansa ne omo nimutie e di bi enwuma e di fa enwuma ye fo etua wonka e ma osentia tax e de ma aban. In fact, you don't know danko akufo ado kaye say yesi enwuma ni Ghana man mu. E di se enwuma ni Ghana man mu dia die na aban betumi aye betumi aboa ma nnwuma aba man no because enyuma ewo Ghana aban ene manage nyina no meka ensuo electricity hospitals health center na asefo ukohwa eye kanko a offend say ECG last year, Ghana buying a boka $8 billion and a boka. And yet last year, every year, a month for a mine boka in this agencies are ye CEO for moye politicians or muguho, our money or munkro for bokro no. A Ghana buying a Sanjay to ekutia wonka edema. So the best thing is to privatize all those things. Privatize them. Yam farmer and kura for no manage. But nanado the PDS buyer and this for say a scam. Yam fair on tunchen kuyeni. But because nanado knew that intino or the policy be buyer say for one district, one factory. The agenda of that one district, one factory was to encourage the individuals, the private sector, to create more employment. That is all what was it about one district, one factory. Say a buying a bakery environment as an individual. Say o per se unkreti enyuma oho be henha wo nwe sami jase mu akwaba na watimi bi adwuma no na watumi afa adwumayefo na wadwuma akoso na aban so age ne tax afiri and this for si da bi se wote Ghana man mu na wonya adwuma nya e ya ban no ne fault because e se Ghana ban tumi mfa Ghana ni bia e wadwuma mu. And people, before we are trying to explain to Ghanaians, say, Sansem na omo kano, eye propaganda, eye hurutrada. There is no sense in it, but people did not understand what we wanted to tell them. Nanado kept on, SCC ebuama individuals, ebia the machines, we instrument, the be ye factory, odi fra brochire ba, odru portwa. Yeah, Joe tax. Now, I believe, say, there was some incentive binom so in your first 2 or 3 years of operation. There were all this sort of incentive for to support what the private sector to be the leader of creation of job. Said the Riasia man saying in Ikoso. And this is for Sidabi. Until government create his own factory. Now, best is uncle gum. And then she said, a bina boama numa bominum. What a shambolic ways of thinking. So the NDC started singing some song. Nancy best singing almost song. Nana do ena ma adwene papa na eda ne timuntino. Look at some of the things that he did. Creation of job with the private sector. Consuming the local made products. And money na asefo ayeto nyina, yedua nyina, na ye yusu school, ema school for onkranya aduane di. Na akuafo so omobotom aye omo de. Enti area baabi ti se hohoi a na ye dom mo wo ho. Aye nim se ho ye nwuram. Aye nam sa asuntu dom mo wo ho aye ko yi enti no. Na na do share da ma ye kosi ekobo a individual bi e ma ye si a rice factory si ho. Se de be ya omo dom mo nyina. Ho ye o me ka samod kokujota bra kwakwasi ampanyini ne side ho. Another was able to support an individual to build a factory for rice. Said the bear kotia monoba, ebetimia process, near kipuno, near timia maintaining no, near timia tong, na apan so chi, anya biato, at the amma school for a D school. Video no near her.
Edebo Youth Rice Factory. This is it. Located at Hohwe, Godon, just behind the Technology Solution Center. Hohwe told me after one district, one factory project. Let nobody lie to you that MPP didn't do one district, one factory in Hohwe. I'm not gonna blame me, but MPP or one district, one factory. Me have to let go we go don't feel like you see it. Nakwe, LFimi, Technology Solution Center, I said it that some districts have more than one factories, and Hohwe was lucky to be one. This is it. Enable Youth Factory, 1D1F. This machine is for, I think, cleaning the paddy rice or so. I was there when it was, brought in here. One district, one factory. This place houses the machines for processing. This is, I think, a dryer. I was there when the youths were mobilized to help the Chinese man to install this dryer. One district, one factory. Ele Godon, Hohwe. American Gabelowe MPP me one deco. MPP to factory nami. One district, one factory. Enable Youth Project. Menyabe factory kilo ole vote abete pedoche. Other districts in the Volta region have this. Some are into rice, some are into gari processing, some are into cassava processing. Yes, Enable Youth Rice Factory. This is ours in Hohwe. It is under the management of a private investor that I am aware of, that it has been given to a private investor to manage. Huge investment. Let nobody lie to you that MPP didn't do anything for the people of Volta or Hohwe. This huge investment is not small money. One district, one factory project. This is what will bring the industrialization. Look at 24-hour economy. This is not a slogan. A physical project.
Yes. Until another you say you ma way na say the be ya ankura for no be to me. Akreti enyuma no ma for enyuma. But yanama ye kasa kire Ghana for se munti nsema ye wura ba omiaka. Monto abama no no mo bom beto this policies so be kreti enyuma ma amamfo anya enyuma ye. The NDC was singing a song. Almost song and almost singing anyway.
Our economy is a policy. It's a policy that it is going to make it very. The system will make it possible for you to run at a particular period in time. We'll call at a particular period in time. Then another person will also go another period in time. Then it goes to Asusa. Because in 24-hour economy, if there are teachers who are taught, you are teaching in the tertiary institution. Now, which idea you have a lecture by 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
By 7 p.m. you have closed.
Normal.
There could also be another lecturer who can also take on from 3 p.m. And will end up by 7 p.m. and will end by 9 p.m.
And also normal.
Very good. But have we been able?
After 9,
After 9, we can still run it depending on the number of lecturers who have been accrued in the university.
Lecturers need any problem to say students na question.
Yes.
And when?
Yes. Into school students are it is not every student every time that the students will have to go 24 hours and they will have to go in the night. It's possible say a lecturer could miss his lecture during the daytime for many reasons. So the cover up can be in a particular period in that evening. So that's not to say that the students will not rest.
Okay.
But there is still a door that is open for the lecturer who can still hold a lecture at a particular period of time.
Yes, and Tinanado born and home modern will create empower the people, the youth, to create and become owners of jobs. You know, this can I say? I don't know if I should call them innocent. These idiots, they were out there saying, say, they are coming to create 24-hour economy, 24-hour economy. Abusia, the 24-hour economy, no, and the AN Ghana pan say it is creating 24-hour unemployment. Because Nanado did not talk about 24-hour economy. He spoke about creating jobs that will gradually develop to become continuous shift. Also, a teacher for you about 24-hour economy. A teacher for you about 24 hours economy, 24 hours a day. We are shifting. And I do a man for the school. And now can you anyway? What the light anyway? What the crazy beku can you mako school da mako kusiade? Yepa. And then the 24-hour economy has created unemployment 24 hours because akuyafo you must say. How can you create 24-hour economy if the prime materials are not produced? So we be create 24-hour economy, industrialization. Now we a raw materials ya ube process it. What the beko factory akoye hu adwuma ay no mom na ebe ma enwuma do so wo man no. Only producers are. How can you create that 24-hour economy? That is a bullshit. That is a bullshit. And from 24-hour economy, we are now into unemployment economy. Amam for nyejuma, akuyafo, me kasa akuyafo atemiye. Enye akuyafo koko for nkwa, aburo for nkwa. All the farmers are crying. And the cashew for more modo cashew. Oh, me side, they are all crying. They are all crying. And then the young men don't say, Ghana akuyafo mukodo koko. They were not paid, but season no, crop season no, asa yatum, but they are not paid. And everybody must to shut up. In quiet, don't talk. The 24-hour economy itself has tended to be unemployment 24 hours. Now the TMA we in the video way, you flew an requirement for 4 months no so.
Na the entire mirror no ye very simple na me offer ATO so me ko fie over the weekend so we me krom ekuanse me ekuanse ba
minim ho bebre sa
ufre ekuanse a na okotenchem so na okochinchenku na okasare krom na okokote aboa na okohwe aye mobo na okoba ko ne nim nyansa wate ase no de wo betima aboa me se wanya hunkro na wie maame me ko hia me nuanom a ewe ndc a yero tukunomo ede omo ye adwuma kase koko price no e wosoro na sebe 2500 no cry ye say ekufo ado 31 million o dija ye no na mere hoyi mi ankasa me wofa modas eye koko adwuma ne bi o se wachai koko adwuma no
adai
me be no de ne bottom ame se me mfa me kire o pa me de ne betoko no so o se wachai ne botoni areho semene se
botana akoko bodi amanso fa koko ngu no
o se wejai o se me mfamba
koko boda de nkoma
na bi o se me meka nkire wo wi a o de ba komom o pese kana ma nyina hu se onu modas wejai adwuma no adentia odo maku eno do kuku na kuku no crach mpuntimi nto nti esidem esi ne warehouse kakra bi a waye ofie ene ne maku
koko no de ya beto kona sika na bia na ma
bi ne de no kra de crach ntu akanti ne de ne sifie ene maku sidem akronfo abawura warehouse wa arehosem ne se kronfo na wiya maku ne ko waja kuku esiwo ene nti che se kronfo no wanhu kuku mpo no wafa kuku eni animonyam na mibusa se na de na kronfo be fa maku eja kuku ho
na kronfo ni passbook o ntimi nton kuku
de bi yesi kuku no ade o ntimi nko fa ma kuku ku ya ni bi enko ton wa no de bi se no de short one na de nko fo nwia nko fo lock down so da enton mame asemo o kan se ene kuku boto e 4000 Ghana your friend is a makoboto 4,000 Ghana kuku nam 2,500 John Mahama makuku eni munyam abafom yes amakuku eni munyam abafom ye besre no season yi be kwa wie July yesre no season ne kwa wie ya ontoto niema eyie ye bie season na around October kuku akuafo enye nidaso eno mo tempenten kwa aton srepe areho. It is so sad how kuku for ye tritium this government. Free JB Dankwa Bresu yenti kuku so da John Mahama pe mampeni aden. Ye bodin sembra eye ye bodin sutumra eye.
Meda simiri be ma Aaron asi edu en
we ene ekoso ewo akuafo abrabom. People are crying. The one district one factor and the engine of 24-hour economy. No? And Crawford see they don't have time for you. They don't have time. They don't care about you. You are not their target. When your target here, they want to change your life and form. And to one district one factor and the only way a buying to me abwa. Ama ajuma ehun enye na ewo maimu no. One DC party say they don't care. Enti ene se wunye obi obetumi enye police ajuma ye eno so kura nsema nkoye nyesa wunya akronfo nche won. Wunye obi a wako school. Wunye obi a sabi wabusuani bi NDC ni a obemo wanya ba bia gina ye ajuma onka ho bi because the factories na nanka aban ne boa omo call mo animu nyina no. The NDC has collapsed them. Because a MPP policy say you maintaining no people will use that against the NDC, and for that reason you have to suffer. That is the new way of NDC. So the 24-hour economy has turned to be 24-hour unemployment economy. And I team to the sense say akuafo kresu nanka the second production team. The second production level. Almost check. How can you assist? Ye near kuafo mbet ombaye a new man. Am I adding product na banamaye more factory? What are you doing there? There is nothing to work on. This is what we have voted for. And this is what we are going to live in for another 2 years and 4 months. Yemfa we see to the last topic. I was informed that this is for na mamobo who say, "Hey, go for a moment, Siro." I want na mamobo who say, finally, omu afri IMF program. Mimi barima. Obibi obekasa achiro bi anoboa enye nokore. The IMF program will end in what? In August 2026. And the IMF program, mimi jeru apia me mwakwaba. IMF program, it is still working. Ghana is running on IMF program today. August, and I was saying Kenwe. But there is an issue. Issue abane say, Mekai Sebra Nanado, na oye president. Ye free IMF program ebeye nijesem pa, because now finally the government can roll on many of his own policies. Ebe to me den koswo any ye yo abragana forma. Dear Nancy, asema sini se ene NDC abain 3 months to the end of the IMF program no. NDC abain kobu nkotodwe ewo IMF nsem se osra omo a ema omo nko. Omo nse nizane another program na Ghana man ye ni akire. Ma kai hu se under IMF the president, the government, whoever you are, the finance minister, onye hweo wondwene wo no IMF programmer wo no as a finance minister no wondwene nye hwe. Everything that you do in terms of expenditure piano e yade a IMF fo na design a program e de abrɛw e na wudi so chemiye pa. It is only by exception. And another ne Dr. Bawumia etumi ne IMF for kotena ase di nkomoma yetumi ti ase say Ghana government can even employ. In many of the cases, you cannot even employ at the public sector. Enti oman bi akwa ahohiahia mu na okọ IMF for ensemo a eya na ya deponi a everybody want to get out of it earlier. But me about what are we seeing? Because we have incompetence. Our monomulidi yaman intino. A yomu mom no mwansa adan your money ebege IMF to remain. Why am I telling you this? The entire maker we actually say. Una no when need us say before wajuma yem foul. Yem forward to Mobiem. Because the IMF is still in the house and we cannot employ you. When I now just said the big push, IMF winning big push. And when I now just said with the big push, we are coming to create roles across the country. The IMF was going to be sticky on NDC on how they should spend. So that program too is not going to happen. Many of the majority promises are John Mahama promising in opposition. No. These IMF conditionalities does not allow them to proceed. It is in Mahama and Nkrofo competent. And the out bailing of the IMF would have been a glory. Because from there, they can start managing the economy by themselves and they can involve the money to fulfill the promises that they promise. But what are we seeing? The year who nene say, John Mahama himself and Nkrofo no more try the Weshan and Mongoma, they don't know nothing. So ene your numum and a stress I'm for cat time. No money or support to and this manage the economy. Hey. Kwame Nkrumah can simply say, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. And this is for Nkrumahist. Almost all Nkrumahist. So more I believe in the ideology of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. But the same NDC is betraying the Kwame Nkrumah that they believe in. Because Kwame Nkrumah said, Nipatun tun sube to me ayedeng. Amanage on one kasa nema. But ene, NDC for to me atranda ni mahe Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na nim. Ayi na masada sam na oke ni yansa nim. Nipatun to me hiambro ni yansa otima ayede nema ye. And then your economy will remain in the hands of IMF. Yen to me nyahwe wo manum. Wo de tie video we ye wi na be phone last na tum.
We should be asking the question strongly. Why not requesting for this? I think that confusion again cure. I think it's the Mutie finance minister press conference. Now IMF country manager no etin in China, mission chief etin in China. He was clear. Say the government of Ghana no and approach IMF for a new policy. End August, even though the press conference also made it appear so you're free more August. Although I won a 3-month extension now, maybe August 2028, 2026 year was a fear now. And if year and I won't enter into the policy coordination instrument and now you didn't come on. And I think that we should also state it clear. Say a year or minor. And I requested from the IMF say we would want another policy coordination instrument program after the ECF has expired and has matured. Okay. But then the question now will be some. Question one is I think this whole PCI we have over a premature. Okay. Premature because free IMF 2019. Brother, honorable senior minister, Osafumafo, His Excellency President Akufo-Addo Abembo. IMF in Semubi. Yes. It's answer. The IMF itself has some fiscal strains at the Mao government. Who draw a manifesto and I will contemplate political party or candidate who for IMF policies in Sebutrim. But when the IMF policies are in town, restricted. It doesn't allow you to aggressively embark on some projects. And if we're going to run this country also in that sense of we'll also not go for some of the quantum leap projects. And when you look at the global situation, Dr. all these countries have run their countries on debt. The young debt, is that bad. It has to be sustainable, but we can't also have the IMF around such that 133 the 24-hour economy and buying aggressive or pursuing aggressively. IMF would not allow you to overly spend in some of these projects. More of to say maybe a big push if by third year or income competes strongly with debt payments or debt maturity payments now. IMF will not allow you to aggressively pursue your infrastructure projects. But the economy has to be run. The country has also to be run. And I was thinking, Kamen Kudia, and Kayema break a crana or minor and healing from the IMF. There's a study I was previewing last week, and across the world, there seem to be some concerns that IMF policies do not allow governments to embark on a lot of strong poor interventions. Liberated poverty. The big one is a IMF program. Now you're my own funny power. And you are a bit restrained, even recruiting in quasi government agencies. Now, saying as under this the IMF program, Dr. Bawumia, Akufo-Addo Ekofaba, and they finally say they had some sort of breathing space with this. But the traditional IMF programs, it's a very restrictive program on even recruitment. I was thinking, you be free ECF no and kebema your whole break akrana. I run the economy. And also, yet made the prove there are things that the finance minister in the group to say the economy has turned the corner, achieving great strides. Figures the exchange rate has been stabilized. The foreign reserve almost 5 months import cover. The target was 3 months. Yet me the 2 months account, which is not it's an important feat. If it is inflation, yet me pay free from 54 and 2022 now about another call 23% by December 2024. Now about who funds so more pay what is why I pay 3% and I can say I think Zenanka, we have earned some good accolades. We should be confident of what we have achieved to go to the market and prove to the market, say, this is Ghana, this is what we've achieved, even though with IMF, and we want to test the market without IMF. I think we are making an impression say who knew what they are thing, and maybe unless that's the situation now, the government of the day, the economists, the advisors are on economic table. Say figures now at the question mark be down. Careful how we approach the market. Let's keep the IMF on the table to give us credibility. I think that is the but in the global politics situation, IMF the ono the Jumano ye chairman of it. And
yes, in terms of so a lack of recurrence. Come Cassidy, show. Recurrence, mean to me, came in some more quaba. Abakra, I'm more quaba pa. Well, I don't know what you want to say. And the issue is hot. Ghana Apai cannot manage the affairs of the country by itself. Then you say, "Omoy artificial, ama inflation above form, dollar boako form, but still the economy is not in a good shape." Because Obibia why Juma when I'm of why Juma ama sure say your economy is in a good shape, it will never run again and nice IMF to remain with you. And the catcher must say single digit inflation and it's $1 to CD rate 3 artificial. Temase a binary kasakura name say artificial. It does not sound good. So he cannot run the economy. Abusiam for me demano ebesi ha. Meeting any Ras Media on Ras Media GH on Facebook, on TikTok, and on YouTube. Meso say like a video no mame, na share mame. Comment and so na me who and can comment and famao. Unsubscribe also and one subscribe. Maybe a full lies na tum. Also to me friend. Na watch the wadring. Kama. Na ye koyenim. Yeah, maybe a full lies na to me free sabri kobiano. Also to me friend. Na watch the wadring. Na bibiake cantum. Yeah, ye be them. You try your next call. Call us. Mama 9 more 2. Yeah. I firebrand. I you what? They try to go na call us no sir. So I think say you will be the first one. Now while we are waiting for a call, no, papa we so.
Before you came into power. Before we came into power. Okay. When we came into power. In fact, it was on the day that the oral report was being handed over to me that he mentioned the figure. Correct. The 20.1 billion. But of course, that figure was based upon his own calculation of, the sums that were involved. So, for instance, if you take, let's say, drip, all right, the figure involved there is over $100 and something million, right? When you take the value of lands that were, allegedly looted, the estimate the land in cantonments is what, 500,000 a plot. Yeah. So what he did was basically a back of the envelope type of calculation, and that is the figure that he put out. Now he has put a heavy load on my head because now everyone expects me to bring in, 20 billion. Yes, but is
that the case from where you sit?
No, from where I sit. It may be up to 20 billion. It may be up to 20 billion if you take the funds we are tracing offshore, into account, because a lot of money is